Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Lady Beauty. Today we're getting into another foundation review. This one is the new Fenty Beauty Soft'Lit Naturally Luminous Longwear Foundation. I did pick up the shade 420 and that's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. If it's your first time here, my name is Melissa. I go by the name Lady Beauty online. So if you love everything style, fashion, luxury, beauty, then be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. So let's jump into today's video. All right, we are getting into my quick first impressions review of the new Fenty Beauty, what is this? Soft'Lit Naturally Luminous Longwear Foundation. So this just came out, I want to say last week. But I went ahead and got my hands on that, and I'm excited to try that out for you guys today. I have already primed my skin, so all I'm doing now is about to get into the application of this foundation. So as you all know, Fenty kills it with the shades. They have 50 shades in this foundation. It says to shake well, so I'm shaking it up while we talk through a little bit about the foundation. It retails for $40. Again, I am in the shade 420. This is supposed to be hydrating, medium coverage, waterproof. Okay, waterproof, and it's supposed to be long wearing. Now, my favorite Fenty foundation was this one. This was my favorite. I was never a fan of the Pro Filter matte foundation. I did not like it. You can see this thing has served her time. Okay, same shade, 420. This was the hydrating longwear foundation. So if this is anything like that, then I am going to love it because I love that Fenty foundation. Didn't really like the Pro Filter matte foundation at all. So I am excited to try this out. So it says it's hydrating and glowy foundation that's waterproof and reduces shine for a notch above natural finish. So I'm here for it. I don't really need a longwear foundation, not longwear, sorry. I don't really need waterproof foundation because I am not going to go in the water. I'm not going swimming with foundation on. It's just not that serious for me. But something long wearing, I am absolutely here for it. So I had heard a couple people say that the shades were different in this, but I'm not really sure. I did go into the store. That's one of the reasons why I did not just randomly pick this up. Oh my gosh, it's thick. Yes. So this is the consistency as I give 3 pumps. I probably don't need it. But if you remember the consistency of the tube, the hydrating foundation, it was also thick as well. So the coverage was there, okay? So I'm already excited because it's reminding me of the hydrating foundation. So that is all I need to know. So I got about 3 pumps going on because I was just trying to get the consistency going. So I have my Fenty Beauty foundation brush. This is the Pinnacle foundation brush. So this is what I am going to use to buff it out. Let's get into it. Whoa, look at that. Match, yes. Coverage, yes. Okay, so I'm gonna blend it out and then okay, so everything is blended out and You guys, I love this already. I did nothing else but applied it, but it reminds me of the original hydrating foundation. And like I said, that was my favorite foundation from Fenty. So far it's giving. I don't even feel like I need to go in with more. But I'm gonna go in with some more. It says it's medium coverage, so I feel like I really got good medium coverage going on here, but I think that I'm going to go in with a little bit more just around my mouth area for no specific reason. I just feel like I want a little bit more coverage. And then here I can still see like my skin peeking through. I have like this mole right here that I can still see. So I'm just gonna go in and see what it looks like if I go in with one more pump. Well, I lied, I did two. Still just I'm just putting it directly where I want the extra coverage. All right, so I finished. It's looking really, really good. Glowy, yes, but I'm here for it. I am excited because this is reminding me of the original hydrating foundation. I don't think I've been this excited for a foundation launch before, because this right here, this was my jammy jam. So excited. So anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and do my concealer, set my face, whatever, all that other jazz, and then I'll come back to show you what the foundation is looking like and if my thoughts have changed. So BRB. All right, so I came back to apply my powder to kind of lock in and set the foundation. So I'm going in with my favorite powder. This is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Press Powder. And I'm just going in with that to set the foundation. Now, my other favorite powder is the Kosas. Let me just say that a couple times. I usually use that, but I honestly go between those two. Those are my two favorite pressed powders to set my entire face. They both do a really good job, but I love both of them. So just wanted to show you guys what that looks like once it is set. Still looks hydrating, honestly. Like, feels really, really good. Feels hydrating. Doesn't even feel like I'm having any foundation on, as much coverage as I have. You would normally feel like you're wearing something super heavy, but not this, not at all. So here for it. So just going to put on blush, bronzer, and then I'll be back to just let you guys know what my final thoughts are, and so you can see what it looks like with a full face of makeup applied. Okay, so I finished off everything, but I also just recently picked up the Fenty Beauty Demi Glow Light Diffusing Highlighter. I have the shade Rich Honey 06. I picked this up during the Sephora haul, so I figured I would, whoa, look at that. I would test this out, but I think I literally just picked up too much. So I just placed it, and then I'm gonna go in my brow area, and I need to, look at that, buff that out. So I'm gonna go in with, I think I did a little bit too much right there, but I was like, if it's glowy, hydrating, like, why not? So just go with me here. And then now I just need to blend these bad boys out. So that glow though, look at that. Okay, Fenty. So just kind of buffing that out with my blush brush to kind of get it going there. Yeah, much better on that side. See that? I'm here for it. Okay. So, yeah, I mean, okay, so I'm back. I am finished. I went in with basically a full face. I did concealer, bronzer, blush, lippy. I did little something something on my eyes, and I also tested out today this Fenty Beauty Light Diffusing Highlighter Illuminator. This is in the shade Rich Honey, and I'm liking it. I thought highlighters were like old, but I guess they're coming back. So I feel like every brand is coming out with some variation of skin luminizer, highlighter, blush with a little bit of highlighter. So I added that on. And yeah, I love the way the foundation is wearing. It is definitely lightweight. It's packed a punch. I definitely feel like I have medium coverage. It feels so good. It feels so hydrating. I don't feel tight. I don't feel dry. I definitely feel like some hydration coming in from the foundation. So yeah, I am here for that. So far, so good. I am gonna go out and do a couple things. So I will have this on for a while, and I will be sure to let you guys know in the comments how did it hold up for a couple of hours. It's already after 2, so yeah, I probably will have this on till about 4, 5, or 6, somewhere around there. So yes, I'm so excited for this new foundation from Fenty. I'm happy that I was able to pick this up, and I'm happy that I was able to do a review for you today. So that's it for today's video. Before we sign off, if you aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, guys, catch you in the next one. Bye.